Latest research and development. 1. NVIDIA latest, Blackwell GPU and software updates. NVIDIA's latest RTX Pro 6000 Blackwell Server Edition GPU will soon be available in enterprise servers. 2. Scientists discover brain layers that get stronger with age. 3. AI boosts professionalism in emails but can erode trust when managers overuse it for heartfelt messages. 4. The parasite that turns off your body's pain alarm and sneaks in. 5. Dirty air linked to common brain tumor, 21-year study finds. Air pollution, especially from traffic, may raise the risk of non-cancerous brain tumors. Ultrafine particles appear particularly linked to meningioma. 6. Scientists stunned by alien mineral that breaks the rules of heat. A rare mineral found in a centuries-old meteorite, and even on Mars, has stunned scientists with its bizarre heat behavior. 7. Room temperature quantum breakthrough stuns physicists. Scientists have achieved a breakthrough in quantum research by demonstrating that nanoparticles can exhibit quantum rotational vibrations even at room temperature, and without being cooled close to absolute zero. 8. Gold survives 33,740 degrees Fahrenheit, overturning a 40-year physics theory. Scientists have made the first ever direct measurement of atomic temperatures in extreme materials, shattering a 4-decade-old theory about how far solids can be superheated. 9. NASA's rovers keep getting stuck and we just found out why. Engineers at the University of Wisconsin-Madison have pinpointed a surprising flaw in how NASA tests its rovers on Earth. 10. Bye-bye Teflon. This slick new material could change cookware forever. Engineers have crafted a new non-stick coating that could finally give Teflon some competition, without the dangerous, forever chemicals that have raised health alarms. 11. Hate needles. Your next vaccine could come on a floss pick. Scientists have discovered that flossing between your teeth could one day help vaccinate you. 12. NASA's Lunar Trailblazer moon mission lost just a day after launch. 13. Hubble just found a galaxy fainter than the night sky. 14. Astronomers spot possible biggest black hole in the universe. Astronomers have identified an ultramassive black hole that could be the largest ever measured, hidden in a distant galaxy known as the Cosmic Horseshoe. 15. The shocking diet that fueled human evolution. Long before their teeth evolved to handle tough, fibrous plants, early humans were already digging up and eating grasses, sedges, and starchy underground foods. Thanks for watching this video.